Hi there, I'm going to give a quick overview of the template designer, stepping through each of the features. As you can see, I've already partly put together an email to demonstrate the features. The first button on the right is the preview button. Before the preview pops up, the email will need to be saved. This is just a confirmation box confirming that you want this to happen, so I'll just click here. At any stage you can use this to see how your email will look in an email client such as Gmail or Outlook. The email is completely responsive in its design, so it will look equally as good when viewing on a mobile as on a desktop. This preview is how it will look on a desktop. The next button is the send test. Once you're happy with how your email looks, you can send it to yourself in a test email to make sure all the links work and the layout is how you would like it. You need to set up the test email addresses in the settings page. This button runs a spam check against your email. This can take up to 30 seconds to come back and is run against Spam Assassin. This will give you a good indication if your email is likely to get put into the spam folder of your contacts when the email is sent. Each email that gets sent by our system automatically has a plain text element sent with it. This helps with deliverability. This is displayed if customers only accept text versions of emails. However, if you want to see how this will look and alter it, then you can click this button here, and you have the ability to alter it. It's good practice to only do this once you are happy with the email, as the automatically generated plain text is based on your email. Once you've altered it, your version will be used instead of any automatic version. You'll notice that there are information tooltips in every section. These will prove very useful to explain each part to you. The title is for your reference and you can alter it here. Each email title has to be unique in our system. This is the subject line for your email. I'm just going to copy that into here. And this is the pre-header text for your email. If you click here, to give some information on this. This is displayed next to the subject line in a number of email clients and will encourage your customers to open the email. You can see how this would look here in the Gmail, for example. This section is for the header of your email. You notice that there is a holding message at the top of your email asking you to upload your logo. This can be done by clicking this button. Selecting your logo from your computer. And there we have it. It's now put a logo at the top of the email. Once you've set up your social settings in the settings page, these tick boxes will appear here. You can then easily add them to the top of each email, like this. If you so choose, you can hide the header bar here as well, like so, or you can just hide the logo, like so. The next section is the basic settings for the body of the email. This one will adjust the background of the whole email, as you can see. I'll just change that back. These other colour pickers are here for the settings for your custom button colour. This can be added to any text section by clicking on this button. This is shown in a separate video about editing text sections. The next section is for the footer of the email. As you can see, you can easily add in all the social elements such as Facebook and Twitter. You also have the option to make them small if you wish, or large, as you can see. You can also change the background colour from white to grey. You also have the option here to forward to a friend. This will allow any customer to forward the email to a friend and include a personal message. Each forward is sent through our system and will cost 1 email credit per forward. The next tab is for the blank email sections. As you can see, there are numerous options available. Simply click one of the buttons, like so, and it will be added to the bottom of your email. Here it is. And you can simply drag this to anywhere else on the email, here for example, and then edit it in place there. The next tab is for your saved email sections. On any section you have the ability to save it by clicking this button, the save button here. Here we are. This is very useful if you have a common section that is used across a lot of campaigns. Here are some sections that I've previously saved. Simply click the add button and it'll be added to the bottom of your email, as you can see, and then you have the ability to drag it to anywhere else in the email. Now that is a quick overview of the main features. Please see the other videos to see more detail about the different parts. Thanks for watching.